Hi there, in this video I'd like to show you how to create Google Console and attach it to your website so that you can track your result and how your website is showing on Google. So here we go. Google Search Console. For you it's going to be harder because you never searched for it. And then you start now. Usually if you have any type of Google account, you would have Google Console already. So once we are here, we already have different accounts, but for you it might just here you have option to add property. You just add the domain name. In this case I'm using Silly Shuttle, so I'm just gonna use, so I remove https .ca, and now we can create. It's gonna verify the property. It gives you two options to select record type as txt or CNAME. I like CNAME more because it's kind of more clear. So now I would have to go to my hosting provider and put it in my DNS zone. If you have a hosting provider that can do that for you, please just send the information to them and ask them to do that. You just copy it here. So I'll just show how I do it for my hosting provider. So we go into actually into domain DNS zone. In different hostings there's different ways to do it. Sometimes it might be really confusing. I usually put 1 hour the time and results to just copy here, paste, and create. It should be created, and let's see if it's gonna verify. Perfect. Now since it's verified, it's gonna start tracking your information. At first you're not gonna see the information because last 48 hours it wasn't tracking anything. So check out in a week. Just go to Google Search Console and you will see your website in there if you follow the procedure. And you would be able to track and check the video for how to use Google Search Console for your SEO down there. Thanks. Bye.